This is our initial Rabbitry setup. I believe these came off of Walmart.com for about $50 or $60 a piece. But we needed something quick once we decided we were going to get into the rabbits. And this is what we went with. Had the rabbits in here for roughly a month so far, but we've decided to go a different route, which I'll show you here in a moment. So here's what I've ended up going up with. Picked these up off the internet for $200. Almost identical to what I intended to build anyway, but they came already finished. All three on pressure treated stands, 12 holes. Also came with all the feeders and waterers, which probably would have set me back over $100 by themselves. Maybe close to $200 alone. This is our current breeding stock. I've got black silver fox, doe 1, doe 2. Excuse me, this is the buck here. There's doe 2 here. And this one here is a mixed breed of some sort. Someone was breeding in a yard full of chickens. She just had them going as a natural colony, so she's not really sure what it is. She was originally breeding them for meat, but she couldn't kill them after she raised them. Sometime later this week, I've got 3 more coming in that are going to be New Zealand's, and we'll see what we can get. None of these 4 have been bred yet. Hopefully I'll be breeding in the next week or 2. They just moved into these cages about 15 minutes ago. Need to give them time to get acclimated before we stress them out with trying to breed. You can see here with the way we have these cages set up with the wire bottoms, smaller mesh so it doesn't hurt their feet. We also have pads inside that they can use to lay on and keep their feet from hurting. But what this allows is for everything to freely fall below the stands here. We're going to be collecting all of that for compost. And we've moved them all here into the same area that the chickens free range into.
Well, also don't let the chickens scratch it though, is what I thought.
Yep, chickens will be able to scratch through here. They'll be able to move the dung around, allow for the ammonia to soak into the ground, and give us some great compost for next spring. So here you can see the roof that they've got on here. Quite simply built. 3 pieces of wood. Gone ahead and mounted a galvanized roof. 2 small sheets. I've got quite a few sheets of this stuff laying around that I picked up for free off of the internet, so I will be building a roof for the 3rd one over here, which doesn't currently have one. And that's probably where the grots are going to end up going, because I've got 3 more does that'll take up 3 of these 4 holes. So our breeding program will consist of 7 rabbits. I'm Andy.
I'm Tia.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the bell icon to subscribe so that you get notifications when we post new videos.
And don't forget the thumbs up.
Thanks.
Thank you.